What is the value of the expression 8 minus 2 times 2 over 8 plus 2 divided by 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Even though this question looks really simple, it has tricked a lot of people into choosing the wrong option. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. Many people, when solving this question, start with the numerator and begin by calculating 8 minus 2, which gives them 6 times 2 over 8 plus 2 divided by 2. Then, they simplify the numerator further to 12 over 8 plus 2 divided by 2. In the next step, they move on to the denominator and begin by calculating 8 plus 2, and replacing this expression with 12 over 10 divided by 2, which eventually simplifies to 12 over 5, and immediately they say that option D is the correct answer to this question. But that's definitely wrong. Now let me show you the correct way to solve this question. To solve this problem, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Alright, let's start with the numerator of this fraction and go for the multiplication first, because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So instead of the original expression, we can write 8 minus 4 over 8 plus 2 divided by 2, which simplifies the numerator to 4 over 8 plus 2 divided by 2. In the next step, we move to the denominator of this fraction and start with the division, since it has a higher priority than addition. So instead of this expression, we can write 4 over 8 plus 1, which finally simplifies the entire fraction to 4 over 9. Therefore, option B is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment, and to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.